Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list and today we are going to learn about invert function. This function is mostly you heard in linear algebra, I'm sure, but also at the same time this is very important for computer vision and image processing. And because we use this function to get the camera calibration parameters, also we use this function for homography estimation, also many kind of geometric transformation, we need this invert function. That's why it's important, also it's included in OpenCV library. Okay, and the usage is very simple. You just need to give input array, input image. Also, it's gonna give you destination output array, destination image. There are some kind of inversion method is listed in this page, but we don't need to check them detailedly because they are really complicated mathematical things. So we just need to focus on how the usage is. Okay, let's switch to the code part. This is the example from the previous video, but you need to remember determinant video, which we have already learned determinant function in OpenCV, because if the determinant of any math is equal to 0, it means that math cannot be invertible. This is the thing, maybe the most important one before starting the invert function. And okay, let's maybe first of all simplify our input more to understand more clearly. Let's delete 3 by 3 and make it 2 by 2. It will be, I believe, more easy to continue. Okay, let's say like this, and we need to change this to invert function. Okay, it's gonna give us the output and we are gonna see it in the console again. Let's run it and it's gonna give us the output. This is the inverted math of the input math. Okay, these numbers may be non-meaningful because there is a formula, we can say maybe little complicated formula, and after that formula the result is gonna be this output. But maybe we need to remember determinant function. Let's call it. Okay, and it's all need of the determinant, your input. This is the input, and okay, let's copy this and put here. Okay, and let's see the result. So determinant is -1, so it can be invertible and is inverted. What if the determinant is equal to 0? Let's say since the 2 by 2, the determinant calculation is very easy. 2 times 3 is 6, so if this is also 6, it's gonna give us the determinant 0. So the luckily or unluckily, the OpenCV library is not gonna give you error if the input math is not invertible, but I prefer it gives me error because if it's not invertible, it's gonna give you output 0 0, all the math values is 0, but I prefer it gives me error because this math cannot be invertible because the determinant is 0. Just keep in mind, maybe before inverting any math, making with an if case determinant is equal to 0 or not. This is the most important case, maybe we need to check. Okay, invert is the usage is very easy. All you need to do is that giving input and it's gonna give you inverted math, but keep in mind about this issue, determinant issue. Okay, and I'm done for this video. See you in the next videos.